I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you wanna glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns.
Hi, best friend Nida. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! I love you! Happy birthday, Tita Nida! We love you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Nida.
Happy 50th birthday po, Tita Nid.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday! 50 ka na! Golden!
Happy birthday, Lola Mida.
Lola Nida.
Happy birthday! Kamusta ka na, kapatid ko?
Nida!
Hello, Eva.
Noel!
Happy
Noel! Noel!
Ay ate, happy birthday, 50.
Happy birthday, Eva. 50 anyos ka na. Natandandaan mo ba na ikibata pa? Para kang manika. Pinakamaganda ka. Bawat mo kakita noon, tinatanong sino raw ba yun? Hindi daw nila mapaniwalaan para ka raw manika. Ay paano, anak ko yan, maganda yan. Kamarin. Eva, ilan mo ako susunduin dito?
Things to find. Would you follow me to wander?
Huwag mo naman akong paiyakin. Pagka-iyak, wala iyakan, ha?
Makes me want.
Happy birthday! Mahal na mahal kita, anak.
Would you follow me to wonders? Take my hand and walk beside me in a world of thunder. Fear is an imposter. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in. So the days became weeks. It felt just like you were slowly fading in my mind. When you left, I was so completely gone, but now I'm sure you were some of the best of things to
The
find.
12 special men in our celebrant's life.
Would you follow me to wonders? If you're everything that matters to me, makes me want.
Ladies and gentlemen, celebrate Único Hijo Francois Wayne.
When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
Congratulations on your golden year.
Some of you probably know me best from Nida's Facebook page. She is a wonderful partner. Nida is everything I could ever dream of in a wife. She's understanding. Sometimes. She's very responsible wife. She take care of my money. I could talk more about Nida, but we have a partner. Thank you for being here.
Cheers, everybody! Happy birthday again!
Finally, 50. What? I can still dance! First of all, I would like to thank our Heavenly Father. Secondly, I would also like to thank the source of our bread and butter, the Marriott family. And also, I would like to thank to all my friends and family who helped me tonight. I would like to dedicate this night to my father, to my mom. Thank you, Lord, for giving me such a wonderful father. Again, everyone, thank you, and I love you all. Thank you so much.